Felt the shoulder pain after taking beauty collagen for a week. It feels like swollen and seemed to have inflammation. I used to have a neck and shoulder pain when I was working in IT industry, and it got better after taking supplements. Then I realized I'm experiencing the repair stage. When good nutrition gets absorbed by our body, it's going to identify the issues and going to fix it. It's actually a good thing. It normally lasts for 3 to 7 days. I keep taking the collagen, and after 1 week, the pain disappeared, and the shoulder and the neck area feel much better. Beauty collagen has 90% absorption rate. Our body has collagen all over bones, joints, tendons, eyes, etc. It affects our metabolism, stomach, even our periods. My good friend Angela called me after taking collagen for a few days, and she had some thyroid issue and a low blood sugar. She said she felt so sleepy and couldn't even drive. I told her that ingredients are very safe and it's fixing your problems right now. Luckily, she continued, and 2 days later, and she called me again, and she said it's all gone and she feels good. She also told me so many areas she improved, such as a metabolism issue, bowel movement, and she calls it a miracle drink. If you're experiencing some problems after taking collagen, do contact your consultant and we will help you analyze and provide good suggestions.